Yo guys, what is going on? I know it's been a while since we've been in cabin crew, but anyways, we'll get right into it. We're just gonna be doing a couple of flights, and we're trying to get my friend Limo here to the B747, Boeing 747. But anyways, yeah, I'm waiting for him. I'm pretty sure he's AFK right now. Let's see. Global flights leaderboard. Desmond Moon 7772. Force X26. Let's see. Wizardly Chris. Where? Force X26. It's right here. Okay. So this is global. Wow. That many skyboat. Bro. Ow. Okay. And this called things are after Christmas. Well, did I ever do a top of a video like that? Let's see. Okay. He's trying. Alright. Let's see. I'm gonna invite another friend. So, I got the glamorous little suit thing with my green badge thingamajiggy. But if you want to join my alliance in this game, Cabin Crew, we got 7 people so far. I'm actually kind of surprised. It is just the name of my channel. It's by me, but you must have 3 stars or above and a name that's not hashtag. That's in the description. You can join if you want. Yeah. Anyways, obviously we're gonna start with the A380 because it's gonna make the most amount of money with him, because he's trying to get B747. So we're gonna start our flight now. I'm still trying to get to the actual right flight crew. Yeah. B747 is what we're heading for. He's at 27K right now. So today I'll be showing you what the gear failure is. So, alright, so we're gonna do the gear failure right here. I'll show you what it looks like. But yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, gate 5. Suitcase. We're going off to the side for once. Alright, gate 5. Let's go! Cabin crew has definitely gotten better. I got a level 9 gate thing. That's a part of the new update. I've made my first class economy because you make more money. But anyways, we have to fill the gallery up. Also guys, just like in the intro, don't forget to join that Discord. Upcoming videos will be on there, like what's gonna be coming up soon. Don't forget to join that, so you can see the upcoming videos. I mean, yeah. No, he didn't just slap it. Wow, crazy. But yeah. Our goal today is trying to get him to the B747, and I'll also be showing you the gear failure. I can't say it right. Gear failure. Okay. Our last gallery is over here that we need to prepare. Oh my. They have no face. No face. Creepy. Yeah, definitely with this new update, there's a lot of glitches. They do need to fix something with the new update and these seats. So the seats fold out kind of weird. Well, I mean, it's like part of the seat. But say there's an NPC with a laptop and their stove table thing is pulled out. Quite average. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, that's also part of the new update. You have to see. So the store tray table thing, it folds up and then it folds into the little space. But because it does that, the laptops don't actually function right and go onto the thing. See how it folds like that? It's another laptop thing right here. So that's also something you need to fix. Because the laptops are glitching, bro. Bro's laptop is in the tray table. Like, oh my gosh, I hate that. Let me press the UI, bro. Jeez. What the Zima? Oh, good, I guess. Yeah, bro, I'm on an airplane. It's as mid. Yeah, W. What is bro? Okay, see you, bro. Yeah, turn on your airplane mode. Chill, I'm on it. No, you're not. You were gonna be on there talking about Sigma stuff all day. I already know. So gear failure is one of the. By the way, yeah, gear failure is one of the things that is like say you're like kind of like explain it. So like gear failure is where the front gear, I'm not sure if it's the back gear, if it can be the back gear. I've only done it once, but you have to wait until servering's done for it to happen, and the front gear, when you try to put it down, the front gear doesn't go down, and you have to circle around, put everybody in brace position, and then you can land. And my first time seeing it, it actually went off the little runway. It went off the runway, and then there's a fire in the front, and you have to evacuate everybody. And then once you evacuate everybody, the new firefighter things, they will start to actually put out the fire, and then you'll be teleported to your destination. So like, it happens at the destination. Well, hold on. Maybe it's after checking. I think it's after checking, because you actually go around the destination and you don't land, and then you put everybody in brace position, and then you actually land. So it might actually be after checking passengers, after taking their trash. I think it should be that. If you put your plane to all economy, it will make more money.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Hey, whatever that. Okay, on-time departure. That's also, well, kind of last update, I guess. That's not this new update. And you also have to tell people to put their phone in airplane mode now, which is kind of annoying, because you have to tell your, like, so it tells you, okay, all the passengers are checked, right? Well, I wish it would say that with the phones too, because like you have to like see their thing, but you have to see their text thing, and so I wish it was just wish. I wish it was with the passengers checked, because it's kind of like checking if their phones are in airplane mode, instead of just seeing, like, it'll show like a thing, like a exclamation mark. It tell you like, oh, this person's phone is not on airplane mode. So then it will be easier to tell them if it's on airplane mode or not.
Now we request your full attention to the flight attendants demonstrating the safety features on board this aircraft. With the seatbelt sign illuminates, you must fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fittings one into the other, and tighten by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight, as you may experience turbulence. There are several emergency exits on this aircraft. Please take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit. In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you. If we need to evacuate the aircraft, floor level lighting will guide you towards the exit. Doors can be opened by moving the handle in the direction of the arrow. Each door is equipped with an inflatable slide, which may also be detached to use as a life raft. Oxygen and the air pressure are always being monitored. In the event of a decompression event, an oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. To start the flow of oxygen, pull the mask towards you, place it firmly over your nose and mouth, and secure the elastic band behind your head and breathe normally. Although the bag does not inflate, oxygen is flowing to your mask. If you are traveling with a child or someone who requires assistance, secure your mask on first and then assist the other person. Keep your mask on until a uniformed crew member advises you to remove it. In the event of an emergency, please assume the bracing position. Lean forward with your hands on top of your head and your elbows against your thighs. Ensure your feet are flat on the floor. A life vest is located in the pouch under your seat or between the armrests. When instructed to do so, open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it over your head, pass the straps around your waist and adjust the front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord only when leaving the aircraft. If you need to refill the vest, blow into the mouthpieces. Use the whistle and light to attract attention if required. Also, your seat bottom cushion can be used as a flotation device. Pull the cushion from the seat, slip your arms into
Flight
the straps,
attendants,
and
please
hug
be
the
seated for
cushion
takeoff.
tightly towards your chest. At this time, your portable electronic
Alrighty, we are taking off. Heading to New York City with a gear failure. I should have checked it. The lag, oh my god. I'm surprised my PC is not going crazy right now. Maybe my PC is good. All of it just stopped because we're in serving mode.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude.
lock
The
in.
flight attendant should start their in-flight
Let's
service
lock
shortly.
in.
With that, enjoy the flight.
Alright. We'll do food first. Also, doing just a little food could make it like way much more easier. That's why I only have 3. But they're all good food choices. Also, guys, not just the Alliance thing, if you want to join it, not just that. Also, if you want upcoming videos, once again, join the Discord. My friend, Frosty Cat, we've like met, friended each other like two years ago, and he joined. And, that's actually my first video on YouTube was 2 years ago. It was my first video was 2 years ago. I don't think he knew I was a YouTuber because I told him it was like well, I gotta record this video, and he was like, you have a YouTube channel?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck. We've been told by air traffic control to expect some moderate turbulence up ahead. We'll try our best to give you a smooth ride, but expect some bumps over the next couple of minutes.
Oh, I hate turbulence. The lag! The lag! I hate it. Oh my gosh. I'm lagging so hard right now. When is this turbulence done? think that's all. I really hate that. Phew. I didn't really think anybody watched my videos because they're too long. Some of them are super long, bro. Say that, man. Also, guys, I know I said on my thing, like Fortnite and all that other stuff, but if you want more VR videos, just go in the comments, say if y'all want more VR videos, like Rec Room or something, or Minecraft VR, or Job Simulator VR or something. It will be a while though, cause I need to look for we're actually looking for a USB thing that actually works. We're almost done serving down here. It's just time to do stuff that NPC skipped. I don't like how they skip stuff. It's really annoying. Okay. Now it's all it's time to do is drinks. And all I have down here is boba because why not? Okay. Honeydew boba. Isn't boba like tea? Oh, wait, boba tea. Duh. Honeydew boba. Taro boba. Brown sugar boba. Brown sugar boba. Honeydew boba. I've never had boba in my life. But I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks good. I'm usually a picky eater, but the boba actually looks good. I've never had tea either, so I don't know, because boba is tea. Boba tea. So, yeah. If your NPCs are a good level, they'll do all the work themselves. But mine are not at max level at all. I don't think one of them is max. I don't even have a single one that's max level, and that just makes it harder.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have
Basically.
started our initial
You gotta
descent
have
and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Time to pick up the trash. You could be a fast clicker for this one too. Actually, my mouse and keyboard came with my PC. And I was actually kind of surprised. Also, about the new update in this game, there's actually, if you play Cabin Crew, there is some vloggers and celebrities. Well, there's actually kid vloggers and kid celebrities now that actually appear in your plane sometimes. It's kind of cool. I mean, let's see, we're almost done here. The NPCs take forever because they literally walk like this. Oh, let me get your trash. Let me get your trash. Oh, skip one. Don't care. Oh, let me get your trash. Let me get your trash. Oh, skip one. Don't care. Like, they're literally like that. It's so annoying. Oh my gosh, why are these teleporting? Alright, time to check.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Yeah, I got you. Alright, after this is when the landing's gonna happen, and this is when gear failure happens. Also, elderly people also appear on your plane now. Is everybody checked? Landing. Alright. This is where Gil. I keep saying Gil, like I'm saying Renegade Widow. Like, bro, what? Alright, see how the front gear didn't come out? That's Gil. Gil. I said it again! That's gear failure. So, see, we're in New York right now, but they're actually going back up because the front gear is down. Well, that's New York right there. We just kind of skipped our destination. It's kind of weird too. At first I thought we were going to hit the buildings on the side because I was like, oh, this is swerving off. Alright, now we gotta put everyone in brace position. Brace for impact. Brace for impact. Brace for impact. Brace for. Can't you see everybody else doing what they're doing? I'm like, bro, brace. I can't even speak anymore because I'm so mad. They should know and listen to the instruction things that when there's a landing, an emergency landing, brace for impact, obviously. Where there's a water landing and you see people with a life vest on, put your life vest on. There's no need to even tell the people that. Why are you still arguing about the hair in the TV? Like, bro, what? We're literally going to crash without a front landing gear and you're arguing about, oh, your hair's still in my TV. There's about to be no TV, bro. Like, bro, I feel like they gotta fix that when there's like an emergency and they're still arguing about, oh, there's hair in my TV. Nobody cares. Like, bro, that's a part. It's kind of annoying. There's some annoying things about this game, and it's just, if that's relatable, I mean, yeah. Like, when the baby starts to cry before the turbulence happens, how do you even, the baby knows when the turbulence happens. It always starts to cry. But anyways, we're landing, I'll be quiet.
Brace, brace, brace!
See how we swerved out? The fire trucks are here. Now the front's gonna catch on fire. So we gotta open all.
This is your captain speaking. The aircraft has landed but is on fire and may explode. Flight attendants, evacuate all the passengers as quickly as possible.
You know, the pilots are just dying in there right now. Like, I can't even open the door. It's just evacuate. Why are you watching a Rickroll while... Never mind. just never mind. Evacuate. Get out. I'm gonna wait. Get out. Alright, let's move it. Evacuate. So it's the people who are sitting down and kind of just stand up like they're sitting. Just evacuate. Wait, do the top one? No. Oh yeah, they do. Okay, it's about to explode. Get out. Ow. Yep, now they're putting out the fire. But the tires aren't even touching the ground. I'm on the fire top. Yeah, for real. They're not even hitting it. The fire's over here. They just got put out, but they're aiming over here. So yeah, safety is pretty much terrible. A service is a 5-star. Quality. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. Okay. Where is he? What is this? Okay. Well, anyways, guys, we're gonna end the video here. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You never miss out on another video. And, don't forget to join the Discord. Join the allowance thing on, the thing. It's called my YouTube channel without the numbers at the end. But anyways, see you in the next video. Peace!